This tutorial provides a step-by-step guide on uploading your website files using the DirectAdmin control panel. Log into your DirectAdmin control panel. Navigate to the File Manager section under System Info and Files. Open the directory where you want to upload your files, example public_html for website files. Click the Upload Files button. Select the files from your computer and confirm the upload. Your files have been successfully uploaded. You also have the option to create empty files and new folders as needed. Click on the folder icon to create a new folder. Enter the desired folder name in the input field and click Create. Your new folder will now be visible in the directory.